Hello class 2, welcome back to maths class. I hope all of you are keeping well. Okay children, so let us start the class. As you know that we are doing chapter number 9, metric measure. Okay, in the previous two classes we have learnt about how to measure the weight, how to measure length. Okay, so in this class we are going to continue with the same chapter with a new topic. That is, today we are going to learn about how to measure capacity. Now you see, you must have noticed that when you go to take bath in the bathroom, okay, so you must be having two containers. Like there is one container called mug, okay, and another is bucket. When you pour the water in, or when you fill both the containers with water, then in which container do you think the water holds more, in a bucket or in a mug? So what you will notice that when you fill both the container with water, you will find that the bucket holds more water than the mug. Okay, so any container which holds liquid substance in it is called the capacity, right? So capacity basically we find for any liquid substance or any liquid thing. It can be water, it can be milk, it can be oil, juice, cold drink, okay? So any liquid substance or any liquid thing which is is kept in any container, we find the capacity of that container. Alright, so every container has got a capacity. That means the how much amount of liquid it can hold. So as I gave you an example that if you just notice that in which container that water will be more, whether it will be in bucket or in mug. So you can see bucket holds more water because it has more space than the mug, and mug is small in size, so it will have less space to hold the liquid, isn't it? So what is capacity? Capacity is the the amount of liquid which is held by any container, right? Now we know that capacity is measured in liters, L-I-T-R-E-S. Okay, so from here we understand the standard unit of measuring capacity is liter. Okay, what is the standard unit of measuring capacity? It is liter. Now we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. A milliliter, when we have to measure any small quantity of liquid, then we measure in milliliter. You must have seen the oil bottles, okay? You must be getting in your house the oil bottles or shampoo bottles, and like small container, even the the soft drinks, okay, the milk also at times you will find it is written in milliliter, okay, but of course milk comes in liter also, but when it is less in quantity, say 500, then we will write 500 milliliter. That is, half of a liter is 500 milliliter. That is just half a liter, okay. So to measure the small quantity of capacity, we use milliliter unit, and when we have to measure the more quantity or big amount of liquid, then we use the standard unit liter. Okay, so we use unit liter. Alright, now based on this, you must have seen if you have visited any oil mill, okay, any oil mill if you have visited, or any dairy milk, okay, any dairy if you have visited where milk is sold, then they use like container which has got a specific quantity, like for example, as you can see here, these containers are used to measure oil, like not only kerosene oil but also mustard oils also. Like when you go to mill and all, there also they use these measuring container, so that they can give the exact amount of oil to the customer. Okay. Now for measuring the milk, you see 50 ml, so small, then bigger than that 100 ml, then you have 200 ml, okay, to 500 ml milk and 1 liter. Like that, if you have to buy 2 liters of milk, then you will use this container 2 times. Okay, like that. So, we are going to learn some related sums with regard to capacity. See, we have already done like measure of, say, weight, then measure of length. There also we have done so many questions. So similarly, in this liters also we have few questions like addition of liters and milliliter, then subtraction of liters and milliliter. So it's all the same type of question, but still I will do 1 or 2 with you just to make you understand. Okay. So you can see, add the capacity. As we have learned, like we will just frame or we will write in this way. Say liter and milliliter. Liter is the bigger unit, milliliter is smaller unit. So we'll write liter here and milliliter here. Okay, in the boxes. The first one is already done. Second one I will do. It's like 17 liter, 186. We'll just make another one box. 86 milliliter. Okay, and then next is 18 liter, 125. 18 liter, 125 milliliter. Now since it is add, so we will add definitely 6 plus 5, 11, carry over 1 here, 10 plus 2, 8, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, again carry over here, 1 plus 1 is 3, and then 7 plus 8 is 15, carry over 1 here, okay, this is coming. So what is the answer? 35 liter, 311 milliliter. So when you write the answer, you write 35 liter, 311 milliliter. That's the answer. Similarly, we can do sums based on subtraction on capacity, like that. Okay. So you have a question on page number 125. You have some few sums based on subtraction. So let us do one sum from there. Find the difference. Find the difference means we have to subtract. We will do subtraction. Okay. The second one we will do 58 liter, 453 milliliter. We are going to subtract how much from here? Let's see. We are just going to see, this chapter is not that difficult. Only the new terms what you are learning is like capacity, weight or mass or length. These are the new terms which you are learning, and you are also learning the units, the standard units, right? How to measure the standard unit of length, then weight and then capacity. These are the things you are learning. Apart from that, when you are doing the sum, it's all the same. What you have learned, the operation, the 4 operation, mathematical operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So you have to take the help of these operations, mathematical operation, to do the sums. Okay. And also of course you have to learn to arrange the numbers according to their units. This you have to learn to do. So let's do a subtraction. 58 liter, 453 milliliter. Okay, we will subtract 15 liter, 139, 15 liter, 139 milliliter. So we are going to subtract this. Let's do, this is 3, so we cannot do that. we have to borrow from here. Okay, so this becomes 30. 30 minus 9, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. 4 minus 1, 3. 8 minus 5, 3. Okay, and 5 minus 1 is 4. So the answer is 43 liter 340 milliliter. Likewise, you have to complete the rest of the sum. Now, turn the page number 126. It's all the word problems. Okay, let us do a few word problems. See, I want you all to take out page number 126 and from there you can understand. The first question is already done. Second question is, a tank contained 49 liter 300 milliliter of water. This is the total the capacity of the tank. 44 liter 400 milliliter of water was filled in the tank. Already 49 liter 330 milliliter was there, and again it was filled up with 44 liter 400 milliliter. Now you have to find out the total. So as you know, total means always addition. I have already taught you the vocabulary. Please use the vocabulary so that you can do the word problems easily. Okay. So in the word problem, second one you have to add. How will you do that? Make the two column, liter and milliliter. The first one is 49 milliliter already was there and 300 milliliter. And how much is added? 44 liter 400 milliliter was added more. So what is the quantity, total quantity of the tank now? The total quantity you will write here, answer 93 liter 700 milliliter water. In this way. Okay. Now next question, I am not going to do all the questions on the board. I'll just give you the hints how to do it. Number 2 is done. Number 3, a dealer had 98 liter 855 milliliter of oil in his stock. He sold 39 liter 500 milliliter out of that. How much oil is left? Now here the word is left. Left means subtract. So you will subtract this 39 liter 500 milliliter from 98 liter 855 ml. Coming to the next question, a milkman had 31 liter 500 milliliter of milk. He sold 18 liter 225 milliliter of the same. How much milk is left? Again left. That means again you have to subtract. The last one, Nisha bought 80 liter 360 ml and Ashu bought 29 liter 500 milliliter of oil. Who bought more oil and by what quantity? Now with the quantity you can see 29 is bigger than 18. That means Ashu bought more. But how much more did he buy? Then how will you find out? Obviously you will find by subtracting. You have to find the difference. No, difference means again subtraction. So you will subtract 18 liter 360 ml from 29 liter 500 ml and you will get your answer. Okay children, so you will complete this in your copy and just complete your work and keep it ready when I will upload the classwork or assignment in the Google. Then you will you will upload your work also. So that's all in this video. I hope you have understood this concept of measure of capacity, and here we complete the chapter number 9. In the next class I will be dealing with another new chapter. Till then, take care and bye bye.